some people have resorted to using cloths to try and protect themselves. What do you do if you are unable to get your hands on a manufactured mask? Well, to look at the important factors to consider when using a non-surgical mask, I'm joined now via Skype by Lucie McPherson. She's the founder of a company called Silk Lady. Lucie, a very good morning to you. Well, the minister yesterday very clearly saying to people it is okay to use masks, but what should we bear in mind if we do so?
Let's just make it clear from the beginning that we are not talking about surgical masks. I'm going to be talking about cloth mask, something that I have observed, something I have done extensive research from my country. I come from Czech Republic, where wearing mask has become 3 weeks ago compulsory. And what we have seen that the curve, it's not as bad as in other European countries where they are not use of wearing masks. They are not ordered to wear masks. And I understand that many people are confused. I was confused at the beginning as well. This is a new virus. The doctors, the scientists, the politicians, the public have to learn how to behave. So at the beginning, masks were considered only for sick people, only for people that work in a hospital. Well, now with the research, with a big amount of research has been proven that wearing a mask, wearing any kind of protection over your face helps to stop spreading the mucus, the droplets that you spread when you talk, when you sneeze in public, when you even breathe in public. So it has been shown that wearing a mask, not by itself, but this combination of social distancing and washing hands and wearing mask all together, this helps to reduce the risk you get sick.
Yeah, no, Lucie, I know. That's what I said in my intro. We're talking to you about the cloth mask, not the surgical mask. And I'm pleased to hear you are from the Czech Republic, because just the other day I watched a government clip from the Czech Republic making it very clear about the importance of using cloth mask or any type of mask, in addition to washing your hands regularly and respecting the physical distancing when you are with people, and also staying at home as much as possible. Now, the Czech Republic is not the only country that's talking about masks. Even the CDC, that's the Chinese disease center, I saw a doctor there saying that the director of the Chinese Center for Disease Control, George Gao, saying that it is a big mistake not to wear a mask. Now, with cloth mask, what should people bear in mind? Because some people say you have to wash them regularly and make sure that they are sanitized.
Absolutely. So you can make your own mask. You can make your own mask from a T-shirt. You can make your own mask from a bedding cloth. It's actually very, very simple. I will show you later. But what you have to bear in mind, that the public needs to be educated. The public needs to be educated how to behave in a public place, how to wash your hands. You have to be educated. So a lot of people are against the face mask because they said it's an improper use. Well, this improper use of hand sanitizers, you're not going to prevent the spread. If you don't wash your hands properly, you're not gonna prevent spreading the disease. So it's the same with a cloth mask. So you have to wash your hands, so you have to have a clean hands before you put it on. So then you put it on. There are many different masks. You can have the string here, you can have the elastic. You go to public. You are not allowed to spend in public a lot of time. You're not advised to spend in public a lot of time. So this is a prevention when you go to supermarket. So then you put it on before you go to supermarket, or if you have to go to public, you leave it on. You try not to put your fingers over it. You try not to feel it around it in your face. When you finish your shopping, you go in your car or you go home, you wash your hands first or sanitize your hands, you put the mask down and you wash it. So now we have to take into account how can we sanitize it. It is advised to put it in a washing machine on 90 degrees and then iron it. Well, not everybody has a washing machine, not everybody has an iron. So you can boil it. You can boil it in a pot for 10 minutes. On 100 degrees, or if you don't want to boil it, put it in the washing machine, iron it 180 degrees, and you can iron it after. then you can use the mask again. It's not a device that you just put in your pocket and you walk 3 days with it, or you can start buying with friends. No, it is an addition to all the other health advice that you have to adhere to.
Lucie McPherson, very clear, and thank you very much for your time. And I know from the figures I've seen and the statements I've seen from the Czech Republic as an example, and where everywhere else, including in China, where masks have become compulsory, that they've managed to slow down the progress of COVID-19. But